loves, is another Smith family travel with your girl LiqueTheNailGeek. Let's go ahead and get to it. Unpack your fudge.
Uranus City Jail.
And we are in Uranus. Where are we?
Uranus. Not mine. Uranus.
That's right. We are actually in Uranus, Missouri. It is an actual place in Missouri off of Highway 44. So of course we had to stop by. The skunk yard.
On the playground. Uranus. They got a playground in Uranus.
Uranus Fire Department.
Fire truck.
There is a fire truck in Uranus.
There's a dinosaur.
Did you know there's a dinosaur in Uranus? The main thing that we stopped by is because there's actually a fudge factory, a real fudge factory in Uranus, Missouri. So, of course, we had to stop and take our pictures. And yes, that is the back end of those animals. So we're walking to the fudge factory. World's largest butt muffin.
It's like ice cream fun.
It is.
Ice cream in Uranus.
And they got funnel cake.
There's a funnel cake in Uranus. I knew you ate it.
No. It's
all gonna get a tattoo in Uranus.
There's a tattoo in Uranus. It's a tattoo place. Uranus Police Department. Look at that old cop car. The old cop car.
The old cop car.
To serve and protect Uranus.
To serve and protect Uranus. Must be an honor.
Or should I say, what fudge comes out of
Uranus.
Uranus.
Is it a push? You gotta push your way into Uranus. That's about right.
You just push your way into it.
About right.
Thank you for having me in Uranus. It's a lot of candy.
All kind of stuff in Uranus.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Uranus.
I'm glad you made it ready. Don't drop my balls there, bro.
You dropped your balls in Uranus? Oh my God, man. That ain't no good. You don't want balls in Uranus? That's not good.
He's killing you. Uranus locker.
Stuff in Uranus.
Oh.
Safe and secure.
I have to get one. Oh, excuse me. Here's one of the straight out of Uranus. Uranus ice cream cone.
Uranus police.
You go nuts.
Uranus, you'll go nuts.
I love it.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, it's a plumbing one. You know this one's got them. I'm sorry, you're trying to get. Are you still reading? Okay. Lane quality type. Uranus. Oh.
It is.
Boo. Read the slogan. Not sure which one to pick, y'all. It's so many. So many. Let's see. Let's see. Did you figure out which one you want? Oh, wait. Did you see this photo?
Size matters in Uranus.
No.
He's got it in the back.
I love it.
I wear XXL.
No, you don't. You was swimming it.
I don't know which one to get though. want to
It's
get
a
one.
hard
Put
choice.
it on today.
That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna ride home in it. We can go out to eat in it. Oh yeah, we can go out to eat. I'm gonna try mint in
I don't think I would never stop talking about what you do. I was talking all damn day.
Just saying it, right? The chocolate mint is good in Uranus.
Packing your fudge because I will violate your every right. I'm gonna pack it out, stuff it, and I'm gonna jam it in there. You know.
I saw a police car in your hand.
You have to
Right, I have bites in your hand.
Yeah, we have to protect and serve that part, right?
I love it.
Oh gosh.
How'd you like it, mint?
Chocolate.
It's pretty good in Uranus. So get the, you want one of those? Okay. This is awesome.
They got, are these Pop Rocks in Uranus?
Yeah. Oh, lemon drop.
Which one did you try? You said it. You getting deep on.
You can have pecan.
Did y'all enjoy getting your fudge pack today?
Yes.
It's a sweet experience,
What is
huh?
that?
Yes, it is.
It's always a sweet experience in Uranus.
Are you ready to see the damage you did in Uranus today?
Yes, I am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
For picking Uranus today, y'all be careful pulling out of Uranus.
No, okay, let's go. We have had so much fun in Uranus.
We definitely had a good time. The fudge was actually good. I definitely recommend going. Thank you guys for watching this video. I truly appreciate your support. Don't forget to scroll over to the bottom right, click my logo, subscribe to my channel, and let's hit the notification button so you don't miss a video. Follow me on all social media, all things LiqueTheNailGeek or at LiqueTheNailGeek. Check out my website, LiqueTheNailGeek.com. Thumbs up this video, comment below, and until next time, bye.